Is a Hackintosh book worth the effort? Let us start with the basics. You've heard the word Hackintosh and are not quite sure what it means. That's fine. Information technology advances so quickly it really is hard to keep up. If you are guessing at something to do with hacking, you would be spot on. The definition of Hackintosh would best be described as running your Mac OS X as a non-Apple brand computer by hacking into the driver base to make the changes. How legal is this process? Definitely legal, because installing Mac OS X on a computer that does not bear the Apple brand is an illegal act. Yes, it's easy to guess what readers are thinking. How is it legal for Apple owners to install a Windows program on the Mac and not the other way around? Sorry, but that's the way it is. Mac OS X does not have a license to run on any computer other than Apple. Having read through the above, it is time to introduce you to the Hackintosh book. What it is really all boils down to is the use of any book from Dell, HP, Acer or any other book with Mac OS X, Apple computers operating software, for which it does not have a license. It is easy to understand that not everyone can afford an Apple-branded computer. They can be really expensive. People desperate enough to want to own an Apple computer will probably resort to the Hackintosh method, since it is being openly talked about online. What might be a better thing to do is to try out the Mac OS X first before deciding to switch. You may be surprised to find you are happy with what you have. There are several websites and online publication sites like Gizmodo and InfoWorld that have published step-by-step installation guides. With the help of these guides, it is alleged that you can turn your existing book into a Hackintosh book. Gizmodo's step-by-step guide details the installation of Mac OS Leopard on a Dell Mini 9, but other guides exist as well for use with other brand computers. Here's some information about the possible problems with a Hackintosh book. To begin with, you have compatibility problems with the hardware. Problems with display, sound, network and other capabilities are bound to arise. The wireless network card will give you problems, but there are some kexts, as they are called, available to help with driver incompatibility. Even with the use of the online step-by-step guides, converting to a Hackintosh book is not going to be an easy ride. If the problems are not enough, the knowledge that you are violating the Mac OS X and user license agreement should. Assuming you plan to turn your Dell book into a Hackintosh book, you are throwing your Dell warranty out the window. That's a big problem just waiting to happen. One final point that may just convince you not to make the conversion to Hackintosh book may be the rather large expenditure outlay involved. Ultimately the choice is yours, but at the end of the day you have to do what's right.